How to chop correctly. Stop chopping like this. First of all, we need a sharp knife. We hold the knife by putting our index finger and thumb above the grip. This way you're most secure and have most control over the knife. You have to imagine that the knife is an extension of your arm. You work with the knife, not against the knife. Don't worry, practice makes perfect. And one of the most important things, the knife is cutting the vegetable, not the pressure you put onto the knife. Never cut with pressure, always let the knife cut. But how do we let the knife cut instead of just putting pressure onto it? This is what nobody explains to you actually. Putting pressure on it means just to press. This is putting pressure, and it makes the knife dull. When cutting, you have to slide the knife. Watch closely. This is pressure, and this is letting the knife cut. You first place your knife on top of vegetable or whatever, then slide backwards like this till it's up, and then you cut down. This movement is most efficient. What is important as well is always make sure that your vegetable is stable. Cucumber as a whole like this isn't really optimal. That's why cut it in half. Another very important variable is practice makes perfect. You have to have the claw grip when cutting vegetables. So in case you cut yourself, you cut your knuckle and not your fingers off. This is how chefs manage to cut fast, because if the object they're cutting is flat enough, they don't even have to lift the knife. The tip of the knife just stays onto the cutting board and they just continue to cut.